All right, today gonna be heading up to the Mesa, and my cousin's really good with trucks, vehicles, off-roading, all kinds of stuff like that. And apparently, there's gonna be an off-road race up on the Mesa. So we're gonna go up there, we're gonna check it out today and see what it's all about. 150 miles.
So a Grand Prix finish, since it's loops, a Grand Prix finish, so the first finisher is the end of the race. So like if I'm only on the 3rd lap and the fast, like something race, whatever, the fastest car finishes, that's everybody's last lap.
That's it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the way they're gonna do it.
What's your average speed usually like on a course like this?
I would guess still like 30 or 40-ish, wouldn't you think?
So how old is the truck now, man?
No, it's probably only about 6 years old.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And wrecks? You've had a few wrecks? No wrecks?
None.
None.
None.